I don't know about you, but I couldn't think of a better way to spend a weekend than flicking a few lures and chasing that big elusive brown trout. This is unbelievable, this place. So peaceful, not a person in sight, and just living the dream.
What are we going to do?
Holiday camp.
We're going to go cray fishing.
So
you're going to learn, Cracker's going to teach you how to put the nets in and do some cray fishing?
Yep.
What else? What are you going to do after that?
Swim.
What are you going to take out?
This boat.
Anything else?
No. And a stick.
And a stick. And probably a stick. You having fun?
Yeah.
How much? Little or lots?
Lots.
Lots.
Here we are, Desert Crackers 4x4 adventures. Nothing better than throwing a cray net out with the kids. Fantastic way to spend the holidays. So we've got all the kids here today, and they're going to throw it all in. Here we go, Lock. Throw that in, buddy. As far as you can. Big one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let go. Oh, good job. We're going to leave that in there for a few hours, and we'll come back and check it up for lunch. What do you reckon, mate?
Yeah.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Thumbs up.
Little Des here doing a little cray fishing.
Great job, little Des. We'll leave that for a few hours. We've got little Crackers here. He's just about to throw the cray net in, so got some chicken in there. We're going to wait for a few crays to come along. So you want to throw that in, Harrison?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Perfect. Well done, mate.
I can't hold on any longer.
Whoa! Pick him up.
And it has a stick. It has a stick in it.
Wow, look at the size of that thing. Wow. Let's have a look at his body. Look at the size.
Him up. It's got like spikes.
Wow,
These
look at that.
tails
That's
got
huge.
like, it's got horns.
What do you reckon of that, boys
Looks
and
like a
girls?
monster.
So what he does, when he puts his arms back, see those spikes?
Yep.
See these spikes? Right here? They dig back into your thumb. This is how you pick them up, right at the back here.
Mm-hmm. But it can still hurt.
Yeah, it'll still prick you. So if you want to pick it up, we'll put a glove on.
A glove on? Yeah, I want to pick them up. And those tentacles, those little antenna things, they can rip your fingers off. Is the glove there?
Yeah.
Why you put that stick there?
Hold it here.
Here?
Harder, harder. Yeah, harder. And lift him up. Hold him tight.
Very good. That's it.
Now,
Oh no, I'm gonna get it.
No, keep a good hold on it. Keep a hold on it.
It's slippery.
That's all right. Keep a hold on it.
hold it tight.
That's it. Nice. That's it.
Oh, it's got a little leaf.
Nice.
Oh,
Very
Right,
good.
little Crackers.
What are you doing, Christian?
good.
Turn around.
A lot of blackberries.
Yeah.
You see here, you might want to watch out for them.
Okay.
Because they're everywhere.
What are you doing?
Just going through the water.
Yeah, fill your water bottle up.
And I'm telling you, do not go that way, because that way is more blackberries.
More blackberries.
Yeah, that's really good. Careful. And there's one up there that needs water. If you see here, there's a little step.
There's a little step there.
And you can go on.
Nice.
And then you need to watch out for that.
Did someone put it up there?
I don't know. But luckily,
Hold on.
and also luckily we have some trees so we can cross over. So you see this one?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This one you need to keep going, but if you want the whole leg to get in.
Well, my highlights was one of the amazing things we catched
this big crayfish, which is pretty awesome. It's my first big crayfish I've ever seen.
Yeah.
So that's probably my highlight.
Cool. All right, go along. What about you, Christian? Stay there for a second.
Do you know what mine is?
What?
Everything.
Everything.
Swimming,
How about yesterday? What were you doing yesterday?
Going down the stream.
Yeah, with what?
With the big enormous boat.
Yeah, big enormous boat. And what were you doing? Were you steering the ship?
Yep.
Yeah. Were you crashing into everything as well? Yeah. All right. Give me a high five.
And everything was the best.
Cool. All right. See you later. Let it go. Let it go.
Have you ever tackled this before?
No. Never.
Mate, this is...
Let it go.
I will let it go. I'm about to throw it.
Our last day on the trip. This is our campsite. We're just down the bottom. Still got a little bit of a fire going. Just about to pack up. Kids are still playing. Still running amok. And still in their jammies. You still in your jammies, Christian? Still in your jammies.
Hey, no bunnies!
Sorry, Cracker's complaining because no one asked him how his weekend went and he's having a bit of a sook, so we'll give him a go. Come on, tell us, what was your highlight this weekend?
My highlight was actually untangling this lead that I just spent probably half an hour trying to work it out, and look at that. Happy days.
Yeah. It's not a smart boy, this one.
So we're just cooking the crayfish and it's a little bit red because it's getting cooked. Troy stabbed it and then put it in there and it didn't move.
That's the most humane way to do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can either put it in icy cold water
To freeze it?
or you can stab it through the head.
And there's guts and blood. There's no flies that get in?
Yeah.
The blood? Whoa! Ew!